Let me show you how to hard factory reset your Nintendo Switch 2. So I'll show you two different ways. First, if you have access to your system, everything is okay, we can simply go in the settings over here and then swipe all the way down, system settings, and then all the way down, data clear options over here, and you can select basically various options here, so whatever you need. So this restore factory settings, if you click, basically again will completely wipe it to factory state essentially. And then the second way, basically maybe if you do not have access to the console or something has happened, maybe it has frozen up and it's not working again. So if you simply need to clear it, we first actually have to like shut it off. And the way we shut it off, so we can either hold this button for like a few seconds. So see if I hold it, okay, let's see, I can get to the power options over here and power off. But if your system is not responding, we can also do a force restart on it by simply pressing and holding this button for maybe like 7 or 8 seconds. So let's see how long it takes. So again, simply hold this power button for still it essentially shuts off. Or again, maybe if your screen is not responding, you can simply like open up timer and simply press the button for maybe like 10 seconds. So again, simply count like 10 seconds and it should be off. Also, maybe if your screen is not working, again, stuff like that. So simply hold for 10 seconds, then maybe wait 5 seconds. And then next we are going to is while pressing the volume buttons, we are going to press and hold this power button. So again, press and hold the both volume buttons. With other finger maybe press power, and then once you see something on the screen, release the power and keep holding the volume. So again, okay, I'm going to hold these plus and minus, so both at the same time, and also press my power till it boots up. And once you see the Nintendo logo, you can release the power, but still keep holding those plus and minus for the volume. So, and we can essentially get in this recovery menu over here. So you can see basically you can also, yeah, basically only restore or also like do a factory reset from over here again. So it will pretty much like wipe everything, it will return to the factory state. So again, simply press A and then basically, yep, it will do it. So that's about it. Anyway, good luck.